Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Katyh.
And how did you discover us?
Oh, from previous dentists, so I have been with Dr. Dulac a long time.
And what was your problem or concern that you had?
I was concerned about some of the pockets that I had, and then I was told about the laser that works so nicely to tighten the gums.
And how did this problem or concern impact your life?
Just the concern that maybe I might lose teeth, so it would be a future concern.
And were you nervous about the treatment?
No. Mm-mm.
And were we able to help you be comfortable for the treatment?
Yes, absolutely.
And how do you feel now afterwards?
I feel good, really good about it.
So would you recommend us?
Oh, absolutely, yes. Dr. Dulac is so nice, the staff is so nice, Najma is wonderful, front desk is inviting. It's a great group.